In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert voice to text using the Otter.ai app. This is a really useful tool if you're someone looking to transform spoken words into written text efficiently. It can be a game changer for taking notes, transcribing meetings, or even for capturing ideas on the go. So let's get started and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First up, you'll need to access the Otter website. This can be done by typing otter.ai into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the website loads, take a quick look around. You'll notice how user-friendly and straightforward the interface is designed to be. Your next task is to locate the login button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the web page, clearly marked, so it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you might be required to create one, but if you're already signed up, just log in with your credentials. After logging in, keep an eye out for a record icon, which again you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to starting the voice-to-text conversion process. Now let's dive into the real action by clicking on that record icon. Once clicked, you'll want to initiate a new recording. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so starting a recording should be a seamless experience. With your recording session open, you're ready to speak into your device. Make sure you speak clearly and steadily. The clarity of your voice will directly affect the accuracy of the transcription, so take your time and enunciate your words. You'll notice that as you speak, Otter will transcribe your voice to text in real time right on the screen. Seeing your words transform into text as you speak is one of the reasons why Otter.ai stands out, providing immediate feedback and validation of your input. Now, if you're more of a mobile app person, rest assured, the process we've just discussed is essentially the same when using the Otter.ai app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app, log in, start a new recording, and speak. It follows the same intuitive steps, allowing you to convert your voice to text seamlessly, anytime and anywhere. And to wrap up, that's all it takes to convert voice to text using Otter.ai, whether on their website or mobile app. With this tool, not only do you save time, but you also make your workflow more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy transcribing.